Hi everyone, Namaste. So I would be sharing my New Earth visions today. All the kind of visions I have received in 2 years. This is important because a lot of you are caught up in a place where we feel the kind of situation and mandates they have brought in, that is life. No, that was brought in to suppress people's creativity, to keep people in lower vibration because the Earth's ascension is going to fifth dimension. It is the nature's demand, it is Mother Earth's demand that we start cleaning up her space. And uh, these people, the billionaires and all the rich, kept people suppressed through fear, through COVID, through shorts, through all the mandates, to not go forward with this plan. But that cannot be suppressed and it won't happen. I'm sure people will lose their patience at one point of time. So now to bring in the golden age or bring in the 5D, the new earth ideas on our planet in 3D reality, we need many people to unite. So I would be going ahead. I would be speaking in a flow state with all the visions that I have received. There might be a little bit of mismatch in the sequence, actually. Okay. So about New Earth. It is nature's demand that she requires cleanup. We cannot go the way we have lived so far in our life by using all the resources, by abusing the natural resources, by polluting all the environment. It is high time and it is impossible that you can live in that way. We have to find alternative for almost everything, alternative for almost every structure that you see alive today. So the first comes with the healers. Now it would be about resurrecting natural healing modalities, coming up with crystal healing. There are 77 types of energy healing options. So going forward, I would be posting videos on that. So a lot of healers are required, a lot of teachers are required. We need yoga professionals, we need dance professionals, we need a lot of artistic people, all those who are in the music industry. All these are related to natural healing techniques. So that is going to be very big in coming time. And spiritual practices, any kind of spiritual healing, body work. Body work has more to do with healing of your Kundalini energy. It is very prominent in parts of Europe, Bali, South America. So they have, and one more major trend that I see coming up is the West has adopted the Shiva Shakti tradition, the Tantra concepts in a very beautiful way. They have made it their way of life. It's a lifestyle for them, and they are embodying practices and living based on universal laws. So Tantra practitioners are going to be very much in demand in coming time. Um, so next is anything that is to do with creativity. So a lot of people uh, now that's one, and people who would come together in communities, people who would you will see the trend now. People will start moving out of the metro cities and start forming smaller communities in the outskirts and it where people would want to grow or their own food. Organic farming is going to be a huge opportunity. Then rainwater harvesting, and we would be seeing projects. It will be taken up through people, common people, where we would be coming up with projects where we would be carving out waterfalls, lakes, ponds, and we would be coming up with solutions where we are able to have lots of small waterfalls and need natural places for people. Uh, then it has to do with a lot of landscape and architectural changes. So architects will be in great demand. So it will be about bringing up different landscapes where it is conducive for communities, for children to thrive. Gurukul systems was a trend which would be coming up more, and anything that and for architects, I think they have to start thinking on how to use natural products like hemp, then anything that has to do with the flooring part. Uh, so, um, Sorry for that. Okay. So landscape architects would be required to think or design communities or homes in such a way that um, it is in harmony with nature. A lot of projects on recycling would be coming up, on cleaning up of the oceans are going to come up. So there's a great opportunity for scuba divers, and I mean that's what I saw in vision. So uh, so scuba diving could become prominent, and then to clean up oceans and any kind of tourism related opportunities. And then we have, if you look at certain architectures in Geethon village in Netherlands, or the old villages like in Rajasthan, where they were huts and places like that. So such structures, home structures would be coming up, which is pretty interesting. And um, then we have more to do with art and creativity. So people who are into mandala art, mehendi art, uh, and then we have uh, uh, things to do with essential oils, healing with herbs, natural herbs. Psychedelics might come a little later, uh, but more of shamanic practices. All this is going to come in combination, and Ayurveda is has already gained a lot of momentum. The truth was revealed in 2020 itself. So that's anything that has to do with Ayurvedic practices that will be more important. Panchkarma, Ayurvedic massage centers would be coming up more. Um, then, then a little further, if I go, there would be centers wherein we would learn how to build homes with mud and natural elements. We would be The plans are such that we would be coming up with a lot of us all across the planet. People would be coming up with ideas where they want to build their homes with sustainable materials. So it's time to get your hands dirty. It's going to be fun, actually. And for people who are in technical space, software engineers, actually, at one point when AI is going to take over a lot of your activity, your skills would be more helpful in this place where we are coming up with new earth concepts. So, uh, the one drawback of AI is a lot of people who are programming AI are doing it so recklessly. There is no sense of ethics in those projects, and I don't know. It has to be that technological advancement has to be controlled in one way. Otherwise, a lot of people know that what can happen to human species. So yeah, I mean, people who are in technological sector have to think at one point of time. You will be out of job possibly within 5 to 10 years. So a lot of people have to come together, and even the younger generation, the teenagers, the people who are in in college right now. If a lot of things are automated, your skills will be required in uh, building new earth structures. because we are going to see a breakdown and collapse in social and psychological norms. Um, so all your skills should be required to rebuild structures all over again. I see remote work or work from home as the next possible trend. A lot of people are not going to comply with all the old way of doing work. So that's one. And there are projects coming up where token economy would be prominent, where people get paid for self-development. You are getting paid for, developing your consciousness, your creativity, and your contribution towards communities. There will be concepts like stewardships. There's nothing like one person is a boss of a company. It is going to be a community of people who are going to decide. So stewardship is going to be uh, an interesting thing going forward. And then what we have. So yeah, so we would be coming up with more of. I see more of projects to do with water cleanup, and probably there could be projects in the future which would be about using the desalinated water for extra practices. Hydroponics, aeroponics, all at the basic level, not the high tech ones which these other people are designing, but anything that has to do on basic scale. Then I see a lot of opportunity for women who have creative talent in them. Like, for example, salt therapy, or, as simple as coming up with healing with Epsom salt, coming up with projects related to that, where you have centers which are, more to do with the healing of masculine and feminine energy. Okay, men's work and men's inner healing is going to be a huge concept. So, a lot of men who are sensitive to emotions, this is your time to be the king, warrior, lover, and magician. It's a book, so you can check out that book. Um, so, men's healers. Then for kids, it could be more to do with activities like yoga, kalaripayattu, so many things. I would be coming up. I would be adding the videos in the future, in near future, and more to do with practices which can heal one's soul. It is going to become important, and what else? So even the structures like restaurants, resorts, I think the resorts will be replaced with community buildings. So there will be families and people coming out of system and rebuilding it, making small communities. If you have been to, I see Bali has a lot of that energy, a lot of 5D energy. If you look at the videos of Bali and Costa Rica, Brazil, South American islands, uh, yeah, so that kind of mm, ideas would be coming up. So I see New Earth has a lot of scope for uh, creativity, all so people can finally come together. And the uh, the spiritual idea behind this is, if a lot of us spread out from the metro cities and start focusing on these community building projects and investors, a message to investors. I think your time is out with your time is out with gated communities and flats and all those box structures. You're not going to benefit out of it. You will end up actually destroying those flats maybe. So a message to investors: start looking for sustainable projects, non-profit projects, if you're really concerned about making Earth beautiful. Um, And so the larger idea behind this is, if more people unite, if many of them unite, start becoming independent, start taking out the dependency from all your government services all across the planet, if we come in unity consciousness, this is what the benevolent civilizations, there are almost, I think there are more than 100 to 200 civilizations in the outer space watching humans right now. So uh, this is what they want to see. They want to see how people can come together and bring in their creativity, work on new ideas, and then the all the advanced technologies, anything that is extra, they would be able to. I don't know if it would happen in 20 years or if it would happen after 100 years, but we can set the foundation and begin now. So I'm very positive about the future ahead, and so so this has to involve people of all the categories, and so coming to the community building. So uh, when a lot of people across the planet, all the different people from the different races start doing this thing and we become a united species on the planet, that is when this other civilizations want to come and work with us. So the idea of consent is very important. Every human being has to be empowered in such a way that you have to decide whether you want to work with them or not, because there are civilizations which are not in benefit of humanity and there are many good civilizations which are willing to help humanity. They can teach us about different technologies and new things. And um, I had presented a paper on teleportation and ethical hacking somewhere in my first year of engineering, but nobody took it seriously. But I knew these things exist. So astral, so with your body, like astral travel is possible, teleportation is possible, levitation is possible. This was all hidden, and the era of gurus who kept it hidden, that is gone. Now it is like we have to open up, think about all these possibilities and work towards it. So your human body has that kind of capability, uh, and so these concepts would be there. And of course, internet is going to play an important role. Blockchain is also going to pretty much. There are some blockchain projects which are in favor of communities, community building, creativity. So cryptocurrency is going to be new kind of money. A lot of abundance factor, abundance energy uh, comes with it. So there are cryptocurrencies which are, now you have to decide. It again has to do with your alignment. There are some conscious ones also which are good, and there are some which are again, they are all hijacked and tracked by all these unwanted so-called rich people. But we have to learn to work with the devils also. That's what is required. We have to learn to work with all kinds of energies. But here now the concept of consent becomes very important. So I had some glimpses of extraterrestrials from last year, but then I'm positive that with change in our lifestyle, change in our food, change in our thinking, and if that happens, then there will be a time where we don't have to speak. Our telepathy is enough to connect with people, to contact with people. Already, telepathy is highly active. A lot of people are feeling the intensity now. So, that would be a new way of communication. And uh, Yeah, so I see a lot of scope in this where people come together, we work with each other, we help each other out, where appreciation, where positivity is your new rule, where compassion becomes your new way of living. So this is what New Earth Vision is like. And going forward, if I think of more than another after 100 years, it's like there will be crystalline cities. So it has a lot to do with the crystals, and I feel we have to work towards resurrecting the Indian temples. Indian temples at one point of time, they were the places for science, for creativity. They were not just mere worship places. It's absolutely not that. A lot of things are manipulated in even Indian scripts right now. What has happened in 60 years, I don't think that is the ancient Indian knowledge. So a lot of things have to be uncovered. It can be adventurous and interesting. There, lot of people have had visions wherein there are different kinds of animals also. So somewhat like unicorns, and there we are going to be in that consciousness where we are going to be around birds and animals who would be and work with us. But it is not like what the animals we had now. They are different. They are a different species altogether. And the grass is being the grass is being grown a little higher. A lot of bright light is uh, yeah, I think that's coming. Like we'll be able to harness more of the solar energy. Breatharian lifestyle is also being highlighted, where people can learn to live without food and water. You can only live on solar power. So all these concepts, and when you I have tried this. I have tried it for a little time. When you try to become a breatharian, you have lots of time to think about new ideas, your creativity expands, you get lots of universal downloads, you are given guidance by the higher beings or your higher self, as many call it. So, this is what it is about New Earth in short. Share this video with everyone. Tell them what was supposed to happen and why it is being blocked right now. Please do this for me. Thank you.